At Millennium Sounds, when we work on a project, it's not only about installing technical equipment. We work together with you and your team to make sure that every detail comes together and that the end result is great tech and a great experience. I'm here today at First Baptist Athletics in their recently completed Denny Barrett Fieldhouse, where a lot of small details came together to enhance the experience of more than 5,000 participants in their community sports programs. Millennium Sounds handled the low voltage wiring for network connectivity and Wi-Fi, installed a security system and cameras inside the gym, main facilities, and around the exterior of the field house. We integrated color lighting around the unique basketball artwork. We implemented a sound system that can play music and enable announcements, and installed TVs throughout the facility that can be used for digital signage, watching TV, and presentations. Wow, that's a lot. Let's talk to Steve Carr, the director of First Baptist Athletics, about working with Millennium Sounds and all the small details that came together to make a big difference.
So First Baptist Athletics has been around since 1968. It started as a neighborhood program here at 86th and College. The original intent was just to provide a safe space for community to come together for good sports, and that's what we call ourselves, the place for good sports. We first started talking with Millennium Sounds just as we broke ground over a year ago. When we first started identifying contractors and people to do things, if you see the building, you'll notice that every single space in here was designed with kids in mind. Things that you wouldn't normally think of, like our offices or even this lobby and even in the gym. I always wanted kids to walk in and really feel like that scene in Willy Wonka where kids walk in the chocolate factory for the first time and you felt that magic. We wanted kids when they walk out on our Chambers Family Park or inside Denny Barrett Fieldhouse to feel the same way and feel like they always wanted to be here. But we also want families to feel like this is home. And selecting even a partner like Millennium Sounds, where you would think we just need somebody who can functionally put in the speakers we need or the TVs we need. We wanted somebody that would work with us on the design side as well. Having a partner like Millennium gave us great peace of mind. As it pertains to this project, there's a lot of things that you don't realize go into the planning and actual implementation with a contractor that if you don't engage early, you could end up spending more money, you could end up not being able to do things that you wanted to. I would definitely recommend getting a place like Millennium Sounds involved in the early stages. So we have 4 courts in our gymnasium. We could have 8 4-year-old or 5-year-old teams in there playing at once. It's noisy and chaotic in a controlled way that the sound could be delivered to each court individually without interfering with another court. So if there was an announcement on a court or somebody's introducing a team, that can happen simultaneously in 2 games because the way the sound is directed to the court. And there were a lot of other small things, for example, for our families and for our staff. It's always been an issue for us when we are outside during baseball or soccer. We're so far away from everything that we've never had Wi-Fi. Millennium was able to shoot Wi-Fi 300 or 400 yards out to our fields in a way that our families and our staff can have Wi-Fi. We could have easily built a big gym that's just a pole barn. It feels a bit like almost like you're in a community center or even a college campus lobby. On a practice night, you'll see parents in the lobby doing work on their laptop, or you'll see kids doing homework on their laptop. You'll see kids hanging out and playing in the other part of the lobby, from lighting to Wi-Fi to helping us think through TV locations. We really wanted the spaces to functionally have use. For example, on a game day, we have thousands of parents and grandparents walk through here every Saturday and Sunday, and half of them who maybe should have looked at their game schedule before coming didn't, and so we know for us as a staff, that's a big burden. Millennium helped us think through like how to have the displays we need to put the information we need on there to keep traffic flowing. And so one of the TVs has your map to the courts and your game schedule and things like that. Millennium was a necessary partner in accomplishing the aesthetic and the functionality for things like that. I would definitely recommend Millennium, especially if you're looking to partner with somebody who will be relational and accessible to really understand your vision and needs and how they can play into that.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Steve for showing us around the new field house. Be sure to like and follow us on social media and check out our website for all our latest projects and products.